In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset a password on a MacBook Air 2015. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just have some down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now this process is pretty simple. It's going to be a little hard to demonstrate since I currently am screen recording, but what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually press and hold down on that power button on your Mac until your MacBook turns completely off. Keep holding it down until the screen is fully black. After that screen is fully black, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is press and hold that button down again until you see a specific tab for the startup options. As soon as you see those startup options load, you can let go of that button, and after doing that, you're going to see an options button appear. Simply go ahead and select on that little options button. After doing so, you'll be able to see an option that says continue, and that'll enter you into recovery mode, and your Mac will start loading, and eventually you'll be on a screen asking you to select a user that you do know the password for. If you see that option, go ahead and select whatever one it is, but it really doesn't necessarily matter because you could just choose forgot all passwords. The system will then guide you through recovery, and if your Mac is linked to an Apple account, you'll need to sign in with that account. If you don't remember the password, select the forgot password option, and you'll be asked to enter in the email address or phone number connected to your Apple account. Apple will also send you a verification message so that you can reset your password, and whenever you do complete these steps, you'll be able to create a new password and sign back into your MacBook. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.